What's up? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing out there? Hope you guys are feeling good. Hope you all are feeling blessed. That's how I'm feeling today. I'm just excited to give you all information to help you all better yourselves. You know, just feels good to give back in some form or fashion, expression, whatever. Let's get into it. Now, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Rick, and this one I want to talk about mindset. Having the right mindset is an important element, especially if you're in this world of trying to better yourselves. When you're in the journey searching for financial freedom and inner peace, you got to make sure you're in a good headspace. Now, you already know, before I get into it, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you appreciate all the content I've been providing for you. Helps me out. Appreciate that. And now let's get into it. Now, back to mindset, I want to give 7 tips that can help reframe your mind to help you find ways to increase your chances of reaching financial freedom. Now, if you stay to the end of the video, I got a bonus tip that should help you out as well. But that's only if you stay to the end of the video. But let's get into it. Number 1, belief. You got to have a strong belief system. You got to believe in yourself. You got to believe yourself to the point where people may look at you because they don't understand your vision. And to them, you look crazy. You look and sound crazy. But if you have an enormous amount of belief of yourself, all that will drown those sounds out. Now, maybe you've been through a lot and you've been put down for a long time. But I promise you, those words that were said to you in the past do not define who you are today. And it all starts by just believing. Tip number 2, passion. Love what you choose to pursue. Again, I recommend that you all love what you choose to pursue, or at least have some interest in it. Enjoy it. Have some excitement behind it. Nothing worse than being involved in something you hate. I say it one more time. Nothing worse than being involved with something you hate. You'll just burn yourself out. Number 3, support. Have a strong support system. Sometimes you only need one person supporting you. You really don't need that many. Someone who sees your vision, understands your struggles, probably gives you advice from time to time, or someone who's willing to hear you out. Even someone who's willing to stay up late brainstorming with you. That person who believes in you way more than you believe in yourself, who believed in you before you believed in yourself. Now, it can't hurt to have a few more. You never know who actually out there who really supports you, but just make sure that they stay true. Tip number 4. I call it the why not attitude. I was going to call it have courage, fight your fears, but it felt right to call it the why not attitude. Ask yourself, why not? Why not start a TikTok? Why not take that exam? Why not go for that degree? Why not go for that position? Why not create a fitness plan to work on your personal training business? Why not get fit? Why not get healthy? Why not start an online business? That's the question, right? Why not? I bet you 8 out of 10 times. Because chances are, as I said before, we've been through what we've been through. We've been doubted on. We've been skeptical. We've been put down. And because of those situations, 8 out of those 10 times, we're telling ourselves that we can't. We can't do something. But how do you know if you don't try? You put in doubt within yourself before you actually see the results. Real quick, if you find value with what I'm saying, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel. Helps with the algorithm and allows other people to see this. Tip number 5. Discipline. Now, I know you've heard all this before. Motivation can only get you so far. Discipline pushes you further when motivation burns out. For example, like me, there's some days I just don't want to record a video. I'm sure there's some days for someone out there who doesn't want to sit down, search for a bunch of keywords to form hashtags to help with the SEO. But you got to discipline yourself to do it anyway, because consistency will go a long way. Number 6. This is an important tip. Research. Expand your knowledge. Expand your mind. Learn something new. Find that through ebooks, articles. Watch extensive YouTube videos, tutorials. Take exams that could lead you to have certifications in a field. I mean, skills.google.shop is actually free. And you can actually become certified in learning Google AdSense or ways to learning SEO, search engine optimization. You should also check out the website Coursera. I've mentioned that in my other previous videos, where you only pay up to, I'm thinking it's $40 a month. Maybe it's 50. They have college level courses where you can actually take and become certified, all in the comfort of your home. I recommend these sites because of their price ranges. There's some people out there that just can't afford to go to college, but that should not stop you from trying to learn something. I refuse to allow anybody to sit down at home and not try to learn something and get some form of knowledge. See, a mind is a terrible thing to waste. Shout out to my 90s babies who can figure out what line that movie is from. But anyway, let's keep going to my last and final tip. Number 7, think outside the box. Because you see, life, or to be more precise, when you're in the world of entrepreneurship, it's all about figuring things out. See a problem that people don't notice, or they do but tend to ignore, and you capitalize by creating a whole lane for yourself. But you got to have some vision. You need to think outside the box. Now, for those who stayed to the end of the video, I told you in the beginning, I would have an extra bonus tip to help you change your mindset. And that bonus tip is surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals. Again, I say like-minded, not a carbon copy of you, because there can only be one you. But you want to surround yourself with people who are trying to elevate themselves as well. And be around people that have no issue or ego in sharing the knowledge that helps you get there along with them. And that's all the tips I know that you all should consider, allowing them to help you change your mindset, to challenge your doubt, and get excited for the future that you can carve out for yourself, and not allowing whatever circumstances to stop you, because that will make all the difference when you want to keep moving forward. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to provide some insight, and hopefully these tips will allow you to better yourselves. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I got more content on the way, and I'll check you on the next video.